Welcome, Barry from QuickSilver Sound Architects here in a quintessentially English setting, the countryside. The sun is out, it is beautiful, and as English people we are known for being quite reserved, refined, quiet. But what would happen if you got something else quintessentially English, a Rolls-Royce, and you straight piped it? Well, it would look and sound like this. So there you go, that is with valves shut. Essentially a straight pipe V12 from Rolls-Royce. We kept one of the silencers in, we'll review that if you stick around for Behind the Sounds. But if you're interested in anything similar, get to quicksilverresource.com. We have over 500 systems online and 3,000 systems in our back catalogue dating back to 1903. But we also do hypercars, supercars, luxury SUVs, anything you can think of, and that is a QuickSilver Special Projects. So if you have something really special up your sleeve, please get in contact with us. We're always interested and would like to develop a cool system with you. Subscribe, hit the bell. What else? Why don't we take that through a mile-long tunnel right now? Yeah, let's do it. that was quite an experience. Hanging out the side of a van is quite an experience. But yeah, that sounds tremendous. We are now going to roll back to QS headquarters. I'm going to jump in with George here, and we'll hear what it sounds like on the motorway, valves open, valves shut. Really show you that there is a no drone zone with the QuickSilver system. That was pretty cool. As I said, driving through the tunnel in a Rolls-Royce with this straight pipe system. At the moment we have the valves are still open, as you can see just about. Actually, with the double glazing windows up, this is actually very refined. I don't think I'd ever have to or particularly want to shut the valves. But if I do so, and it just knocks, I'd say, sort of 15-20% off the volume. And that actually, I mean, you wouldn't even know that had any kind of aftermarket system on it. So yeah, that's what the sound architect can do for you. Welcome back. Do you want to see what's making all that ruckus underneath this amazing Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Well, I've got two gentlemen that will probably tell it better than I ever could. What's going on here, George? What is this?
This is the centre section for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan that we have cut the OPFs out of.
Okay, yeah. So as I pre-mentioned before, this has our 300 cell race catalyst, our road legal on the front.
It's got our race catalyst up front.
And obviously that is straight piped. And then this is where the OPS would have gone.
Would have been.
You've retained something there. That's got a bit of a silencer with a BMW stamp badge on it.
Yes. Well, it's basically straight through there with a little bit of perf and a little bit of silencing in there. So it should help knock off some of the drone.
Right. Yeah, but not really.
But it doesn't really silence it that much. And
then at the back, this is our Titan Sport with the valve, so you can kind of dictate louder or quieter. Yeah. So I mean, you heard it. Now you know exactly what you can get. The race catalyst are road legal, and the rear section are available on the website. This centre section is via special request, as I do believe you have to bring the vehicle to us, or at least send us your centre section so we can modify it and take the OPFs out. I don't think there's much else to say apart from subscribe if you want to learn more about how the world's finest cars sound so amazing from QuickSilver. See you all in the next one. Ciao.